am I walking around with the truck idling, with the trailer hooked up at 5 in the morning? You'll see. Sun's coming up. Hit stop for donuts with Tom. Oh! We're on a secret mission to pick up something cool. So we're driving along.
Reminds me from...
That says Dong Fang, and it looks like two dolphins boning. Sorry, it had to be inappropriate in my video. Trucking our gear. What might we be acquiring? I'm an asshole. Whatever. Who's ready for the new toy? Ooh. It's time for the big reveal. Tom, you ready for the big reveal?
Big reveal. Go for it.
Ah! Tom has a Taunus. Yay!
Her official name is Tawny.
Tawny the Taunus.
Tawny the Taunus.
She has arrived here in the U.S. now for the last stretch of her journey. We're loaded up.
Oh my gosh, yes we are. I'm pregnant.
Oh my god. Oh god. Yep, Tawny's going home. Every fucking time. We're home with it. Unloading. She's home. Tom, she's home. I'm tired. That was a day. Yes! Happy
Here,
Tom.
at last.
It's been on a boat for months. Poor baby. But poor baby is home. Whew.
Oh, this is going to be fun. I love it. Smells pretty fresh, actually.
For being on a boat for that long?
I don't know. Maybe they had to put some in it. I don't know. But feel the trunk springs.
Oh, wow.
Pretty good. Springs right up.
Little Taunus. Not bad.
It's adorable. I love it.
It's got a little... That's from our trailer tire that said F off.
Yeah.
It's got a little tire dust all over it now, sorry.
Let's see if I can master this damn thing this time.
I like the green on green two-tone.
You have to push it down a little bit.
A little, yeah.
Oh, I think that one. There we go. I love it that it has a spring to hold that up.
Look at that little guy. Tawny is home.
This should be fun. Itty bitty little carburetor. Oh. What is that? Is that one of those oil?
Oil bath air filter.
Oh. Huh. This doesn't just come off then, does it?
No, we got a monkey with it. Down under.
I didn't remember it having one of those.
It's right there. Look at that. Interesting, yeah?
Jawohl.
Look at that. Look at that brass on the top of the radiator. That's pretty.
Is the whole thing brass?
Yeah, it's copper and brass. It's a nice radiator.
Wonder if that's original or...
Inspected 6/24 of 20 in Portugal. So, damn, that's fairly fresh. It's got some shitty Atlas tires. Huh?
The electrical panel under here.
A little fuse block. Ah, it uses the Euro style fuses, you know, like a Volkswagen Bug. It's got some VW-ness to it. I dig it, dude.
This is an interesting. Always remembered this
tube.
thing.
Yeah, downdraft tube.
Well, that's where you put the oil in too, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Well, how do you... Oh, there we go.
Like that. Oh, look inside. It's pretty decent inside, actually.
Smell.
Mmm. It smells like old car. This makes me happy. Today was a good day.
This, though. I mean, would we get another one that's like that, just new, or would we just want to get that?
We could just get one like that eventually to make it nice.
That's the ground, isn't it?
Yeah, and this is our hot. It
just strikes me as, I don't know, dangerous sticking out like that.
Well, it's a ground. It's fine. What's it gonna do? Ground another ground? That's
It's
all right.
me. Look at its windshield washer bottle.
Yeah, I'm videoing that.
At least it has one. Even the Bonneville didn't have that.
The assortment of weird.
It sure does. There are parts of it that I remember from when I was young, and there are other parts that don't look at all familiar. But it's pretty simple.
Now, when's the last time you physically touched one of these?
1978.
So your parents had one from like your birth till then?
I don't know when it was gotten, but it was there as long as I can remember when I was a kid. And then it got towed away before we moved to Virginia. And I never knew what happened to it.